Hello, welcome back to my channel, Estella's Recipe. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to press the subscribe button below to see more interesting recipes. Today, I'm gonna make a pickled abalone. It contains taurine, so it helps to control cholesterol and prevent high blood pressure. Also, it is so proficient in protein, so it helps to invigorate the body. It is easy to get tired in summertime, so taking abalone helps to recover body from hot weather. Since this is a pickled one, you can keep them in the fridge and take them out whenever you want to. Sounds like a perfect side dish for summer, right? So if you're ready, let's get started. First thing we have to do is cut down the onion into half and cut them into another half. Slice 3 green chilies diagonally. Also, slice 4 red chilies diagonally. Take out the root of garlic and slice them into 4 pieces each. Then we have to wash up abalone. When you clean up the abalone, you have to work really hard. Prepare a brand new toothbrush and clean an abalone with them. Especially, brush the outer part of abalone where there's a lot of impurities. When it is done, wash them with running water. Then, put 2 cups of water in a medium heat. Put 2 cups of soy sauce. Put half cup of cooking syrup. Add 1 spoon of pepper. Put a sliced onion and boil them for 5 minutes. Make sure to mix them very well before boiling them. Afterwards, put an abalone into a sauce. Put 1 cup of cooking wine. Remove the bubbles with a spoon to make a refined taste. Boil them for another 10 minutes. Turn off the heat and put a sliced chilies and garlic. Leave them for 30 minutes to cool down. Then put them in a container. Place them carefully. Pour sauce and put 2 spoons of sesame inside. Then, store them in the fridge and take them out whenever you want to. When it is done, take the abalone from the shell and slice them. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.